So you can move any of these bars. If you consider on this bar's header, so you can see two lines available. That's mean these bars uh, can be moved to this place. So simply click and hold down on this bar top header side and move your mouse, and you can see this bar will be moved. Now it's all depending on you. You can adjust it top side, okay, you can adjust it right side, you can adjust it bottom side. Now you can see. So I will set it again, and you can also move this one, okay, and this one is also. In this video lecture I will add some new bars on this area, on this main front bottom area, which is very important to add, and which is very important to discuss. That's for what purpose those bar using. If by mistake any bar hide, you can easily show it. If you go to window and trying to find it, so maybe you will not find. In Autocad 2006 and almost other version, you can only show all bars which is hide and which you want to show. So it's only one way, that is you will need to click here, okay. That's mean you will need to right click on any tools bar. This is tools bar, this is tools bar, okay, and this is right side one also tools bar. So I will click on this menu toolbar. I will right click, and you will see we have open lot of options. The first one which we will use 3D orbit, okay, this is very important. So I will click on 3D orbit, and you can see it's done, it's appear on our screen. So now you can adjust it with your requirement. So I will move it and I will adjust bottom of my screen, so this place is perfect for me, okay. The first option is hand tool. For example, you have draw this type of things, rectangle, 5 feet rectangle, okay. So the first thing is hand tool. Now if you want to move your drawing, you have two options. One is you can use your mouse scroll down button, okay, and if you press your scroll down button and hold down, so you will be able to move your this drawing. Or if you don't have this type of mouse in which having scroll down button and pressing facilities, so you can simply use this option, I mean this 3D pen option. Simply click on this, and you can see you will be able to move your object, move your drawing, okay. But now you can see our this UCS icon is changed to 3D section. I mean now our this drawing is moved to 3D section, but it doesn't show some side effect, because this rectangle is single rectangle, this is not 3D type. If you see this type of UCS icon, that's mean now you are working in 3D section. So definitely you will move you to 2D work. If you work if you trying to 2D work in 3D section, so you will be fail. So you should work 2D work in 2D section and 3D work in 3D section. So how you can move to 2D section, okay, you can also use this hand tool from top of this bar. If you use this one, so it will not move you in 3D section, so you can easily use it. That's mean this hand tool is for 3D section. Now how you can return to 2D section? For this purpose we will need another bar which is now not showing on our screen. So again we will right click on these tools. You can right click any of these areas, any of these tools. So I will right click on this area, and you can see, and we have lot of list. Which list you want to see, just click on this. Now that's mean we have showing 3D orbit, Okay, we have draw option, draw order option, layers, modify, properties, okay, standard and styles. So I want to show 2D and 3D sections bar from where I want to move easily. So you can see this is the view bar, this is view bar. I mean, when I will click on this, so you will be able to see. So I will click on this bar, this option view, and now you can see we have a list which is view. So you can adjust it with your choice, but I will adjust it this place because I have only space in these sides. So the first option is top, that's mean this is 2D. You can see when we will click on this top area, so it will be come to default environment, that's mean this is 2D. And if you click on second option, so this is also 2D, third one is also 2D, and fourth also 2D, and fifth is 2D, and sixth. But from here, okay, SW southwestern isometric, that's mean this is 3D. Fourth, I mean to say these four option is for using 3D purpose. If you click on this, you can see now this is the 3D section. If you click on this, this is also 3D, but it just move to other angle. You are now viewing from other angle, but it's also 3D, and it's also 3D, and it's also 3D. I mean to say this one from 3D starting from this play, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so keep in mind these four option is for 3D and these other option is for 2D. Now if you trying to 2D work, so you will face lot of issues. So now I will go to my top area. So we are talking about this tool, so that's mean this is for 3D pen. The second option is 3D zoom. You can see when your mouse hover on this tool, so it will be show you 3D zoom. So for 2D zoom we can use this one, for 3D we will use this one. That's mean this is for zooming. If I click on this and click, you can see this will be zoom. Okay, when you need to zoom, so definitely you will use this one in 2D form, okay, in 2D view. And when you need to zoom in 3D form, in 3D section, so definitely we will use, and you will use this one. Okay, the third one option is orbit. Okay, 3D orbit. This is very awesome tool and one of my favorite tool. Okay, so this is very easy to use. Just simply click on it and move this. Now you will be able to view your drawing from any angle which is in normal position you can't be see. Okay, that's it. Now if you think this is enough for you and now you want to move your default position, so simply click on this top button which is for 2D top section. That's it. Okay, and third option is also 3D continue orbit. That's mean if you click and press, if you press and leave your mouse, so it will be continue forever. And now we will check it. So click on it and click and leave it. Now you can see it's continue, its movement is continue forever until you will again click. So that's it. Okay, these two option is four option is using for this purpose. Other option is also using, but it's not really important. I will teach you all those options which is using and from which you can design your professional drawing. Okay, now let's look on top side 2D option. The first option is, I have already told you that this is for movement. Okay, the second one is for zooming. You can see the third option is for zoom out, but this is not mean this option is for zoom out, because inside of this option have lot of other option. If you press and hold down it, you can see the first option is zoom window, second is zoom dynamic, etc, zoom scale, okay, zoom center, zoom object, and zoom in, zoom out, and zoom all, and zoom extends. So that's it. In this option have lot of options, so you should check all those options. This is not very hard to use. Just simply hold down your mouse button and it will appear drop down list. For example, I want to use this option, zoom center, so I will click, and now I will click on this button. Okay, click and click, it will be zoom. But now this tool is, you can see, we have some instruction, we have some warning from Autocad, and will point specify center points. Okay, so Autocad some option you can't use in every time. Okay, so this is zoom out. If I press, now you can see it is zooming, zoom out, and this one is for zoom. Okay, so that's it. These option is very important, that's why I have teach you in this lecture.